Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory.
What's up, guys? It's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. TRON Lightcycle run was awesome. I was kind of blown away to what it was actually going to be like. I saw someone said online that it's kind of a mix between Space Mountain and Avatar, and that's like the perfect way to put it. The way you're seated is almost exactly the same as Flight of Passage. Honestly, an awesome attraction. It would seem pretty short once you get on it, but once you go indoors and you don't really know where you're going, it's tons like Space Mountain, to where you're just like going left and right. And it was so good. The speed was great. It just felt so good. I really do like the locker system that they have, that you come, put it in, scan your pass on one side. Once you get off the ride, you come back around and get to your locker from the other end. It's a really good system. It opens officially to the public on April 4th, so you can come and try it out for yourself if you haven't already. Such a fun attraction. You can also save a ton of money staying on Disney resort hotels by using our link with Wonder. Go online and compare the prices from Disney's website to Wonder and see for yourself how much that you and your party can actually save on your trip. Let us know in the comments if you plan on riding this ride when it opens to the public. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.